Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Dr. Hamid Sheikh from Best Career Academy. Today I am trying to give you a few tips about time management. As you are already on work and you are preparing for the written exam to be held in February, you must be doing some practice as to attempt the paper within the stipulated time. Most of the time one is not very conscious about the fact that there may be some problem when you actually go and sit in the examination and attempt questions. And it happens many a time that you spend more time on one question and you are left with little time for attempting the rest of the questions. So it's better to manage your time and go for practice, because this can only be done while you are at home or you are preparing. Once you are in the exam center, it's not easy and practicable for you to manage time according to a scheme. So try to practice it and do practical exercises to manage your time. As you know, comprehension takes a lot of time, and you have to first understand the actual question, and then of course second stage comes when you take notes before attempting any question. So there is a lot of work to be done before you actually go for attempting the answer. So this practice and this system of learning how to manage time needs some careful consideration. The best way is to note down your start time and end time in 3 phases. First, whenever you start thinking about attempting a question, read out the question and you just enter while you are practicing it. Of course, you must note down the time, start time of that particular question. Then, of course, you will go for brainstorming, find out some relevant material, or you will definitely think about it as which points to be included and how to manage and organize the stuff you are thinking to present. So you have to note down that part of your work as well. I mean the start time and the end time. And finally, in practice, you have to attempt the question and note down the start time and the end time. So this composite thinking, streamlining your management, your time, will help you understand as to how much time do you take for attempting one single question. So when you apply this principle to the entire paper, if you have attempt 4 questions, you will find out how much time you will take. For in single question, you can go for a practice, and then of course you can go for practice of the entire paper. So the best way is to evaluate yourself and then go and sit in the examination so that you are prepared to attempt the questions on time and in time. Now, there are 2 ways to finalize and evaluate yourself. First one is that you go for individual questions, You take one question and evaluate yourself as to how much time have you taken for attempting that very question. And second is that you go for the full paper. You can take a previous paper and you can attempt it subject wise, and I would suggest you can do it subject wise. If you have 6 optional subjects, you can take one by one, and you should go for practice for each subject. Likewise, this should be applied for compulsory subjects. If you follow this practice, hopefully you will be able to manage your time, and you can treat all the questions equally good. Thank you so much. Best of luck.